Hi techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see creating AMI using existing EC2 instance. While creating EC2 instance, that instant name or EMI ID, that's we are going to give data center EC2 hyphen AMI. So for that case, we need to log in our AWS console, then we'll look at it for the lab session. So let's get started. For that, I'm opening Chrome browser and I have login. I have a EC2 AWS account over here. So already I have logged in. From here, so we can able to see multiple services which is available in AWS. So for that, our case, I'm going to service called EC2. So click on that. So you can see the dashboard over here in EC2 instance. So what are the resources up and running are available. So I'm just selecting for instance which is running now. So click on that. So this is my incident which is running up and running. So this is my EC2 instance name and incident ID. It's a 2.2a97. Instance states running and checks also 2/2 passed. So now we need to select this instant and go to action, and here we can see image and template. Select on that, and we have the option called create image. You just select, and the image name where we need to update, this is a data center EC2 AMID. So you just copy this and come to paste it here and add image and create an image. So now the image creating, so AMI ID which is F363. So this is our AMI ID, and go to instance. Also here we have a, so now you can find the image ID which we created. So it will be there for under the images AMI, and you can find out our AMI IDs which we create a image. So still status up pending. You will just refresh, then you can check here. So still is pending. It may take some time. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will be, status will be running. So now you can check the status over here. It's available. So now we are successfully created our AMIs. So this is what we need to create for existing EC2 instance to AMI. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. So thanks for watching.